A few clever storage hacks you didn't know about. 1. When chopping vegetables in the kitchen, the countertop often gets too messy. You don't know where to put the cutting board, and food easily falls off. Just open the cabinet door and place the cutting board on it. You can chop right there. 2. Clothes in the closet are too messy, and it takes forever to find what you need. Sometimes you even accidentally tear your clothes while looking. What should you do? With just 2 ropes, you can separate and organize your clothes neatly. This way, finding clothes is no longer a hassle. Saves both time and effort. 3. The file cabinet is disorganized. Simply use 4 folded file folders to sort everything out. 4. Can't find your keys before going out? What should you do? Here's a simple trick. Use leftover toy blocks from your kids to make a DIY key holder. Problem solved. No more worrying about losing your keys. 5. Don't throw away old clothes. You can turn them into a small DIY sofa. 6. Hairdryer nozzles scattered everywhere? Don't toss paper tubes. Use them to make simple holders on your cabinet. No more messy clutter. 7. The fridge is a mess with fruits all over. Just use 2 small storage bins. Place them inside the fridge and everything is organized. 8. Pots and lids always go missing? What should you do? Just use small hooks to hang and separate them. 9. Shampoo bottles often leak inside your bag. Just use a simple plastic bag to seal them. No more spills. 10. Underwear in the closet is always messy. With a hot glue gun and some scrap fabric, you can make a practical storage box. Now you'll never worry about messy clothes again. Have you learned these tricks? Craft and DIY jewelry ideas. Want to make unique jewelry or decorations but can't find the right ones? Why not DIY your own? Place 2 heart-shaped molds on clay, press firmly to leave an imprint. Pour in gel, cure it with a UV lamp, then add glitter or decorations. Make another piece the same way and join them together. Now you have a one-of-a-kind charm. Perfect for hanging on your bag. 2. Cut off the opening of a balloon and attach it to an elastic band. Repeat with more balloon pieces until the band is full. Wrap it into a circle. It becomes a colorful DIY headband. Perfect for summer. Bright and refreshing. 3. Cut shapes into a glue stick with a craft knife. Paint it with acrylic paint, making sure every side is covered. Once dry, string it onto a chain. Now you've got a necklace that sparkles like a diamond. Wear it, and you'll shine the brightest. 4. Use a hot glue gun with green sticks to draw flower stems and leaves on a board. Then use purple glue sticks to draw petals and fill them in. Once dry, remove it and turn it into a bracelet, full of spring vibes. 5. Don't throw away leftover nutshells. Paint them green, then glue them neatly onto a wire stick. This makes necklace components. Next, make the chain. Flatten triangle safety pins, link them together, then attach the nutshell pieces. Now you've got a recycled, eco-friendly necklace. Do you like it? School and daily life hacks. A girl takes out her watercolor pens in class, but they're leaking all over her backpack, so embarrassing. Why not customize her bag instead? Cut out animal shapes you like and stick them on. She loves unicorns, so she adds one, then draws on eyes. She was upset at first, but seeing her friend's new backpack design made her happy. 7. A girl goes to get her nails done. The nail technician is impatient and the prices are too high. She checks her bag but barely has any money. Others in the shop gossip about her. She feels embarrassed until she spots some safety pins in her bag. She straightens them into sticks and wraps them around her nails, creating a stylish DIY manicure. Customers in the salon see it and want the same, but they can't replicate it. Kids and parenting hacks. Kids love candy but end up with cavities. Toothaches are no joke. 1. Doing homework but can't sit still? Mom takes a tank top from the laundry basket and puts it over the chair. Now you can't escape, so you sit and finish homework. 2. Afraid of injections? Mom teaches her child to cover both ears with her hands. It calms her down. 3. Some kids are so wild, running and crashing into everything like little missiles. Even moms with 6 arms can't keep up. So, she glues dish sponges onto his knit hat. Even if it's hot, at least he won't get hurt bumping around. Finally, Mom can relax. 4. Another boy can't sit still while doing homework, rocking his chair back and forth, almost falling over. Mom takes action. She attaches suction cups to the chair legs. Even with a 200-pound dad sitting on it, the chair won't budge. 5. Kids love sneaking into the kitchen while Mom cooks. But knives on the counter are dangerous. Since he loves cucumber slices so much, Mom gives him a whole cucumber. Then tapes off a no-entry zone on the floor, just like a magic protection circle. No way to cross it. 6. In Sanya, girls wear bikinis. But in the Northeast, girls are already wrapped in thick coats. One girl caught a cold from not dressing warmly enough. Her nose is red, sneezing all day. Yet she refuses medicine, asking for cola instead. But Mom is clever. She secretly hides the medicine inside a cola bottle with a straw. The sweet cola flavor makes the medicine much easier to take. Like what you saw? Follow for more hacks that actually work.